Yes, sir. Oh, felt that one all the way down.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Good job. There we go. There we go. That's it. Yes, sir. Now Kyle's tall anyway, but I bet you I'm making him about a ½ inch taller every time. There you go.
Felt that one.
Good deal. Okay, let's get you a piece that way. Okay. There we go. There we go.
Right.
No coffee.
No coffee. This will wake you up. There it is.
Mama.
How did that feel?
Oh,
Good. Alright. Go and stand. Alright.
Oh my God.
What did you just call him?
No, I ain't call him that. This is all.
Alright.
That's a lot better.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get you some extra.
Know something.
Alright, we'll say a prayer for him. Are we getting out? It's your call, man.
We grab it right up the motherfucker. Carlos grabbed my legs and left today.
Just want to make sure they don't go the other direction, man.
Exactly.
Not enough. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So, we had some patients out in the reception area. Let him go first so he could actually get treated while he was here. He made the trip all the way down here to get treated, so we wanted to get him treated. Okay.
Some good crack.
Yeah. Some good crack. That might be the title of this video. It's go on your back for me now. There's always some good crack here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Just for me to crack them up. There you go. So when you come here, we're going to crack you up too. There you go, super. Okay, let's set you up and face that way, please, sir. There we go, face that way. Alright. So let me do everything. There you go. Yep. Here. Houston's a very clean city.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Bob.
Oof.
I know you felt that one all the way down.
That's good.
That's why we call it Ring Dinger. And I did aptly name this myself Ring Dinger from having it done on me for the first time by another chiropractor. He didn't call it Ring Dinger. He called it inertial extensilizer. But I called it Ring Dinger. There we go. Better be quiet while I'm cracking you. Crack eggs get all up. So all of you who are using our videos or attempting to explain what a ring dinger is, but you gotta look it up. I'll own the trademark on it. So you'll need to pay me every time you use that word.
If you want to come on in here, we start off always right at the T1. If you come on in, you'll probably hear this move quite a bit.
Holy moly.
Yeah, she needed this one. It's been a few days since she's been adjusted. Oh, and here we go. Good.
Wow, those are powerful.
All right, so through the back here, I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good, good. One more time, deep breath in and exhale out. Good, perfect. All right, so I want to focus on this left hip. So I'm gonna have you lay on your side and face me, okay? So we're gonna bend that top leg. Yep, keep that bottom leg straight. I'm gonna roll you over. Good, okay.
Can you standing?
We can do standing. So we're gonna do her upper cervical adjustment to doing a standing adjustment compared to a sitting or lying. So when we rotate, laterally flex, rotate. Good. One more time, laterally flex, rotate. Good. So yeah, she's got a lot of tension in here today. So we're gonna be doing a couple other maneuvers. So this one, I want you to stand face forward.
Okay.
I am gonna bring my arms up and over like this. Can you put your hands over mine? Good. So with this adjustment here, I want you to squeeze your elbows together and fall back on me, okay? Squeeze your elbows together. Good, good.
Woo.
There we go. That helps really good. It's a standing intercostal adjustment that helps throughout that mid-back area. So I'm gonna. Okay, we're gonna have you lay all the way back. Good, good. Okay.
I felt that all the way down to my butt.
Good.
That was amazing.
Good. Good. Oh. Good.
बाहर सांस भरेंगे अंदर सांस भरेंगे निकालेंगे पूरा बाहर सांस भरेंगे अंदर निकालेंगे बाहर भरेंगे अंदर बाहर निकालेंगे भरेंगे अंदर बाहर निकालेंगे
So you don't block the view. Okay. Now, I want you to close your eyes. Just listen to my voice. Okay? And I want you to wiggle your left ear. There you go.
Oh my God, it hurts. It hurts down my legs. It hurts down my legs.
That's all right. That's just temporary. That's temporary. That's temporary.
It hurts down my legs.
Okay, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. I'm just going to show you you're okay. Look there. Look at your reflexes. See, you're fine. Keep breathing. That wasn't as bad as yesterday, was it? It was?
It's over.
Yep. You're on your way.
Oh, I can't feel my hands.
You're just nervous right now. You're just in panic mode. Okay, let me do this. Wiggle your right ear now. There you go. Okay. Now wiggle your left ear. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Oh yeah, looky there. Now this should make you less fight or flight here. These vertebrae. Okay, good. Okay, keep breathing. Yeah, I got to.
No, wait.
Okay, just breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. There you go. Keep breathing. Don't hang on though. Put your hands on your tummy.
I can't.
There it is. See, that wasn't as bad as you thought it was it?
This one's gonna be bad.
Oh, don't say that. That other one wasn't bad. That one wasn't that bad either, was it?
11 is going to be set as a PRIT. I'm right on the transverse of T11 all the way down. I'm going to do this as a thumb pisiform, and I'm going to do it actually this way. Normally I do it this way to get a lot of that P to A out, but because she has that curvature in there, we want to adjust into the curvature. So I'm going to set it this way, a little bit more medial to, or sorry, lateral to medial. My thigh is here just to stabilize so you don't get away from me, okay? You good, Megan? Tummy up, up, down. Home run. Set and hold. That was butter, baby. Can you do some flossing for us, please?
Well, the pain in my lower back is gone now.